The Icon of the Seas is not just a cruise ship. It is the largest, most advanced, and most ambitious vessel ever built for leisure travel, and it represents the beginning of a new era in vacations at sea. Introduced by Royal Caribbean International in 2024, this extraordinary ship redefines what it means to travel, blending adventure, luxury, relaxation, and entertainment all in one floating destination. Stretching over 365 meters in length and weighing more than 250,000 gross tons, the Icon of the Seas holds the title of the largest cruise ship ever constructed. With the capacity to carry thousands of passengers along with its crew, it is a true floating city, a masterpiece of modern engineering and imagination. As soon as you step on board, you are welcomed into the breathtaking Royal Promenade. This grand boulevard, covered by a vast glass dome that lets natural sunlight pour in, creates an atmosphere similar to a bustling city centre. Restaurants serving global cuisines, elegant cafes, boutique shops, and live music venues line the promenade, making it the beating heart of the ship both day and night. What makes the Icon of the Seas so unique is its division into 7 distinct neighborhoods, each with its own theme, style, and atmosphere. These neighborhoods transform the ship into a destination that offers something for every type of traveler. At the top of the list is the AquaDome, a tranquil space during the day that transforms into a stage for breathtaking shows by night. This immense venue hosts high-diving acrobatics, multimedia water spectacles, and immersive performances under the glow of massive waterfalls and state-of-the-art lighting. For thrill seekers, there is Thrill Island, the adventure capital of the ship. Here you will find Category 6, the largest water park ever built at sea. With 6 enormous water slides, it delivers endless adrenaline. The most iconic of them is the Frightening Bolt, a drop slide towering 14 decks high, an experience that will take your breath away. Families will be drawn to Surfside, a neighborhood designed entirely with children and parents in mind. From splash pools and mini water slides to play areas and family-friendly dining, Surfside ensures that young cruisers are entertained while adults can relax nearby. When it comes to swimming, Icon of the Seas takes the pool experience to another level. The ship features 7 different pools, each with its own atmosphere. The Royal Bay Pool is the largest pool at sea, capable of hosting hundreds of guests at once. Infinity pools overlooking the horizon, a serene adults-only retreat, and vibrant party pools with live DJs guarantee there is a perfect spot for everyone. Dining on board the Icon of the Seas is a culinary journey in itself. With more than 20 restaurants and countless bars and cafes, the ship caters to every palate. Guests can enjoy exquisite fine dining, international street food, or casual poolside snacks. From Italian trattorias to steakhouses and celebrity chef specialty restaurants, every meal is an experience of its own. Entertainment is one of the pillars of the ship. Guests can enjoy Broadway-caliber musicals, ice skating performances in the ship's ice rink, water acrobatics at the AquaDome, and live concerts across multiple venues. Every evening offers something new, ensuring no 2 nights feel the same. Accommodations on the Icon of the Seas are equally impressive. From standard interior staterooms and ocean view balconies to lavish suites, there is a home for every traveler. Among the highlights is the spectacular Ultimate Family Townhouse, a 2-level suite with its own slide, cinema area, and private outdoor terrace. It is like having a private villa at sea. For those seeking serenity, the ship also offers stunning open-air retreats. The Hideaway, an infinity pool suspended high above the ocean, provides one of the most iconic views at sea. Combined with music, cocktails, and a lively beach club atmosphere, it's the perfect place to relax while feeling connected to the horizon. Beyond luxury and entertainment, Icon of the Seas is also designed with sustainability in mind. Powered by liquefied natural gas (LNG), it significantly reduces emissions compared to traditional ships. Advanced recycling and water treatment systems further showcase Royal Caribbean's commitment to protecting the environment while offering world-class vacations. Of course, the destinations add another layer of wonder. The Icon of the Seas sails primarily in the Caribbean, including stops at Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay in the Bahamas. Guests can enjoy thrilling water slides, serene beaches, hot air balloon rides, snorkeling adventures, and endless sunshine on this tropical paradise. Ultimately, the Icon of the Seas is not just a ship, it is the ultimate vacation. Whether you want to relax by the pool, race down towering slides, watch dazzling shows, or explore the Caribbean's turquoise waters, every moment on board is designed to become a lifelong memory. The Icon of the Seas represents the pinnacle of human creativity, combining the thrill of adventure, the luxury of world-class resorts, and the joy of family vacations into one magnificent experience. From sunrise over the ocean to late-night entertainment under the stars, this is more than a cruise. It is the most iconic journey at sea.